Appeals.
Pilahan na yun.
Kompleto na. Kompleto na.
Ya, tiga pun ikuan. Video ka, tiga pun minimo apilon.
Oh, good. Ayaw makaisa na kong kilay. Lolo daw this part.
Mapil dyan. Ayaw tayo.
Gipaatra ko ang akong likod niya kung mapagkana ko.
Day 3 na ito mga boys para sa ato ang mga members for Valencia, Maramag and Kibawi dito lang sa Central Mindanao University. Hey! Ang atong pinaka-post
Wait for the Lord. Be strong and take heart. Wait for the Lord. That's the person beside you na be strong.
Office! Kaway-kaway!
Wow. From Manama Branch Office.
Dilipot Mapili ang Kibawi Branch Office!
Liruan Loloy Balay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ang tinuray na pagtagad o kahanas na makahimo o mga solusyon sa specific na tao kundi nahagit ay collective dream for all of us. So with that 20 years, I personally experienced more.
Hey, Paldo, 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 Paldo.
Good morning to all our beloved members. Allow me now to present our class.
Sabi ko kay winner. The first winner, Dr. Rachel Arrowhead, who garnered 6,053 votes. Who garnered 5,467 votes. Number 3, Ma'am Denise Balbao. And the last winner, Mr. Daniel Lamayo, who garnered 4,783 votes. Again, this candidate's winner. Thank you.
That new members clearly understand the principles, responsibilities, and opportunities of cooperative membership. Continuing education programs will also be regularly conducted through the Members Training Center at the Bujempo Commercial Center in
Bukit ng Government Employees Welfare Cooperative. Ang kooperatiba ang Tatang Bukidnon.
Tatang proyekto
Who will make your life better. Salamat sa bunga.
and salamat sa Huma.
Four. Three. Salamat po. Matama ka daw.
Eh,
Thank you, God.
overexposed na.